So starting in early November, we'll have Verona Road traffic open to 3 lanes each way between Williamsburg Way and Highway PD. Verona Road traffic will travel under Williamsburg Way and over Highway PD. So early November, 3 lanes each way, a lot more efficient. No longer the interchange conflicts at PD and Williamsburg Way. And once you pass through the Raymond Road intersection, you're heading south. We will not have another traffic signal until Dubuque, Iowa. So free flowing all through here. Where traffic is today will be the future interchange ramps to access PD and Williamsburg Way. So there'll be overhead signage. You see some of that today already. Overhead signage letting you know Williamsburg Way, exit lane, PD, exit lane to get to your destination. So that'll be by November of this year. Then in 2020, we'll highlight and focus on PD itself between Verona Road and Commerce Park Drive, reconstructing and expanding that. So there will be daytime lane closures, off-peak hours between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., shifting traffic one side to the other as we reconstruct and expand. Between those limits, Verona to Commerce Park will be 3 lanes each way, and we'll finish up the PD interchange as well as have the permanent turn restrictions at K-Peck and Nesbitt. So no left turns out or through movements. However, there will still be left turn movements in, as well as right turn movements in and out at this intersection. So by fall of 2020, we'll have the entire project complete. Again, 3 lanes each way on Verona Road, PD complete, orange barrels removed, and people can travel safely to their destination. For Williamsburg Way, after you pass through the Raymond Road intersection, there'll be overhead signage letting you know of an exit lane to access Williamsburg Way. So follow that exit signage. There'll be overhead, there'll be 3 signs. You get into the far right lane, take it to the ramp to turn left or right at the bridge. Otherwise, if you wish to travel to PD, there'll be a left exit lane. So again, still off to the side here, following the overhead signage. Left exit lane to travel adjacent to Verona Road, under Williamsburg Way, and then connecting you down to Highway PD. So again, follow the overhead signage. We have that example on our Facebook page as well as website to let you know how to access those 2 interchanges. And then northbound will be an overhead sign letting you know about Highway PD, and take that to turn right or left on PD. And then right after you travel over Highway PD on Verona Road, there'll be an exit lane for Williamsburg Way. So immediately after, an overhead signage will be there, directing you to Williamsburg Way, again, left or right on Williamsburg Way. So this space is several hundred feet long, and that'll accommodate the weave and merge movements for PD traffic to merge onto Verona Road through this lane here, as well as Williamsburg Way traffic to merge off from Verona Road. So it's very similar to what you see on the Beltline between Fish Hatchery Road and Todd Drive, or between Stoughton Road and Monona Drive, and those weave movements that you have. Same kind of configuration, traffic merging on and off of the freeway. And then same thing over here for Williamsburg Way traffic merging on. It'll be 2 lanes and then merging onto Verona Road southbound, or PD continuing to their highway. In early November, once we have traffic on Verona Road going under Williamsburg Way and over Highway PD, it will greatly improve the traffic signal operations at Highway PD and Verona Road. So once Verona Road traffic's on these bridges, the traffic signals will only handle Highway PD traffic as well as the interchange ramp traffic. So those movements through that area will greatly improve starting in November of this year. So currently we are working on Highway M between Fish Hatchery Road and Highway MM near Oregon, and we will resurface that highway next week between September 23rd and September 27th, hopefully opening that late next week, and then starting Monday, September 30th, Highway M between Fish Hatchery Road and Thousand Oaks near Highway PB will be closed to through traffic until Friday, October 18th. And so right now we're a week ahead of schedule. Hopefully the weather continues to hold out for us, but certainly making sure that people are aware of those operations. If there is a destination that they're traveling to within that work zone, want to make sure people plan ahead and be alert for cruising equipment in that area, as well as uneven surfaces as they complete those resurfacing operations. However, we also want to make sure that people know that there are other routes open certainly in that area, Wayland Road through the city of Fitchburg, that'll open next week. Lacey Road, as well as Verona Road, is still open to 2 lanes in each direction through the construction project as well.